See, hello everyone. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good evening,
Yes,
everyone.
Good
Today we were about to talk like placing order. This also is a type of letter, formal letter. Sometimes it is being asked. Okay, in the class. Sorry, in the examination. That is just you have to write like what we have written for inquiry later. Okay, this is mostly like that later, and in that only the parameters which are used over there, those are also same. Only you have to replace that complaint or inquiry into the order. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You have to just order what, like we put online order, or sometimes like you have to just transform your order, way of order from digital to paper. That's all only. Understood? So let me share this screen with you. Beta, did we go for the nationalism in India or Europe? Have you gone through the chapters? Am I audible there?
Huh?
Oh yes, I'm there. I'm there only.
So actually I'm late. So what was
Oh,
wrong?
I did not start anything there.
Okay, sir.
I was waiting for you only. So, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us understand
Yes, sir.
very precisely over here how to write the letter to your editor, what to write over there. Okay. This is very, very important to understand here. Let me take the pen. Okay. This is very thin. Okay. Letter to the
Editor.
editor. Okay. Who spoke this? Nehal, you spoke?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. No matter, no issue. So who is editor? Generally,
News editors.
we write this letter to the editor of a newspaper. Okay. Like sometimes it is the thing that is not given in the way like we day-to-day life, whatever the talking we use in a day-to-day life, whatever we read there, okay, in the newspaper or any magazine or somewhere else, any periodicals as well. Okay, so this is related to the press, to the what, to the press. where we have to write something, and sometimes you may write the letter to the editor to publish your articles as well. Okay, if you only to make the complaint, if you are writing the letter, so that is not the way to write the letter, or every time. Sometimes we write the letter for some good causes as well, for some good cause as well. Understood?
So
Huh.
we can write that in the newspapers. We generally see that the house is sale and the business. We can give that in the letter. This is there, and they will let it
Yes.
as
Okay.
that example.
Sometimes these letters are used to inform about some issue, about some issues that may arise in your locality or somewhere else there in your city. Okay, it may be happen there. Okay, and these are the letters where the language where we have to use over there, that should be like, sometimes we can make the person very like liable to understand, liable in the sense he is liable to understand the language, but sometimes we take some disadvantage of that person or that person's leniency as well. Okay, so whenever we are writing this, we must involve in that we are not imparting him any false information, any false thing, that we like we can means manipulation should not be done while writing the letter to the editor. Okay.
So what is mean by manipulation?
Huh?
What is mean by manipulation?
Manipulate means to make the person to think in two ways. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, two or more than two ways. Okay, that is manipulation. Got it?
So,
So here the format of this letter is also same like other letters, like formal letters. What is the format?
so first the
Sender's
sender
address. First thing is to be done over there.
date.
Second thing, the date should be mentioned. Third,
Address.
you must write the receiver's address.
And the
With what? With the designation.
yes, designation.
Designation. This is E, not I.
The subject, sir.
Okay. Fourth one is subject you have to write. What kind of subject you are putting over there. Sixth, opening salutation. It is called opening salutation. That should be
Salutation.
opening. Okay, whenever we like start writing that. After that, 6th point is you start writing a body of
Of
the
letter.
letter. Okay.
Letter.
7th point is complement close. Complementary close here. It means what should be added over there? Like your name,
Name and the
signature.
sincerely.
This is very familiar format of the letter that I told you already as well. Okay,
Yes,
understood?
So
So
far discussed.
one example would be, I would be telling you over here, that example is related to what? The
Yes, publish.
yes, Nehal.
So means news publishing. News publishing.
Okay,
Yes,
you want to publish the news again? Anybody else?
Yes.
So we can write any problem about the locality.
Any problem like? Okay.
Like
Wrong information about that.
Okay. Yes, you were telling some problem. Who was telling? Niteshti?
no, sir, Ashita. So like the lights are on in the daylight,
Okay, street light.
street lights.
Yeah, those are called street lights. That is another problem. Yes, that is really a problem. Again,
Problem of garbage disposal.
garbage. Yeah, I want to extract some problems, public problems. Okay,
For
from
the roads.
like even supply, water supply can be a big issue. Okay, so that we can bring that issue in front of everyone through the newspapers, right? So we can write that letter to the editor. Most of the times the people are being disturbed of some noises, most of the times. Okay, unnecessarily. Now in Maharashtra, in my state, actually it was like the war for those loudspeakers. Don't take it otherwise, these are not my personal views, this is the news that I'm telling you. Due to the loudspeakers early in the morning and even in the evening, okay, like those were there. So Maharashtra government, not government, but some other party leaders, they raised their voice to eliminate such voices, okay, such voice from the the particular monuments, okay, of particular religions. Okay, and it is not applicable for only one religion, it is applicable for all religious monuments, or we can say the places or sacred places. Have you got it? That was another issue that we faced a lot in Maharashtra nowadays, okay, in recent times over there.
The
Okay.
roads.
Huh?
In the rainy season, roads of college.
Rainy season roads are very dangerous. Okay,
Yes.
anybody can sleep over there and can be slept and can lose his life as well. Okay, so let us understand. First of all, I'll take my state's problem and I would be writing this later to the editor. The editor, like in the way of question paper, shall I write the question or just a question?
Just a question.
Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the noise caused by the loudspeakers in the towns or cities during exam periods or days, you may write exams days. Okay, and the authorities or the municipalities, just a municipality, is not drawing its attention towards it. Okay, towards it or towards this problem as well. Okay, write the letter in about 100 to 150 words. Okay, now I'm not writing anybody's name over there, we will be taking any name over there at last. Okay, but in exam, suppose that name is given or mentioned over there, so that only you have to write over there. Got it? Who has left the class? Now I would have to extract the Excel sheet for attendance. Let me see. So answer can be like, what is the first thing? First we do, we write the
Sender's address.
sender's address.
Sender's address.
Okay, so I'm writing the address here, 12.
So then date,
Huh?
the address then date.
Address. After address, we will have to write date.
Yes, and
Sir, after address ఉన్నాను.
Rajan.
I should not write the exact address over here.
Oh, you can keep it.
Sir, write some imaginary.
12. Okay. This is sender's address. Date. What is the date today?
So today is
5th August.
Sir,
5th.
5th August 2020.
5th August
Sir,
2000.
but this isn't the format, right, to write this?
If you can write, or you may write, if suppose you don't want to write in this format, you may write in that as well. Okay. So you can write that like 5th.
Sir, like for the
August.
board exams, the teachers told that
This is the correct way. Okay. This
but they changed this also, sir. The TH should not be there and the comma also is not there, I think.
Huh? What better?
Not their commas, right?
Sir, comma is not there and the TH is also not there.
Yeah, sir.
This and comma.
Also
This
told
one?
for us.
This
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir. It's not there. They removed
It
it.
is optional there if you want to. So otherwise you cannot. Okay.
No, sir,
It is
they're
up to
reducing
you.
marks.
No. There is no loss. Actually, whatever I have put over here, no, that is wrong. Wrong in the sense, not wrong, but we nowadays we do not use this comma over here. Understood? We are not using. Yes, full stop you can put over there. But here also, one thing I have not done, like I have not written the pin code as well, isn't it? So pin code is necessary while writing address. If you want to write this, you can. If you add this, you can, but you don't put comma at the last. Okay, no need to put comma at the last. Understood?
Yeah, you told that. In the last class, comma should be not there.
I wrote over there, but at the end, no.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next thing is the receiver's address. The editor. To whom are you writing?
Rajan.
The Hitwada.
Right.
Okay. And you are
Okay.
writing the editor who will be sitting in Pune only. Isn't it? Is it
Yes.
correct? Because
Yes.
suppose I am writing, living in Pune, and I am writing to the editor of the newspaper who is sitting in Mumbai. So that would go wrong. Understood?
So we'll play the Pune's, right?
That should be actually with the same and state or same city can be done. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Subject you have to write. What was the subject? Our subject was
Yeah.
the noise caused by the loudspeakers, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The noise caused by the loudspeakers in the MRS.
Caused by the loudspeakers during
During the night.
examinations. Okay, this is our subject.
The regard. No. This.
Well, could you mute us?
If you don't want to, you cannot, or you would not. Just start to write the letter over here. Okay. So
Dear sir,
Salutation.
I read your. I read your. Whose mic is on?
Sir,
Paper. on daily basis. On daily basis. Okay. Today, I want to draw your attention. Draw your, see the language as well. Huh? Draw your attention towards the, not the, towards an acute problem of
our society.
the noise caused by the loudspeakers that they produce, or there is one another word that is blare. Okay, that they produce or blare the music and, or music only, music and some ritual songs. Okay, during the festive seasons of particular, during the festive seasons of particular religious, of particular religion, not religious, of particular religion in my locality or city, you may say. Suppose you are supporting your locality, so you will write locality, and after that, suppose you are there in city, so you may write that city as well. Understood? During these days, many students are preparing for their examinations that they have to take up in schools and colleges. See how the story is been developed over there. Okay, just look at that. The sound that is blared from the loudspeakers disturbs the students while studying for like examination. Okay, you should write your means no mean that. Okay, sometimes these loudspeakers are entertained late night. Okay, that causes the disturbance in not senior, everyone sleeps in night, I think.
Student locality.
Yes, what happened to this? Disturbance in the sleep of all people. Okay, understood? This is the problem that I have put in front of the editor. Now, after that, what would be there? There must be like what should be done upon this aspect or factor we should focus upon. Okay, in the next paragraph, because this paragraph is pretty like big over there. Understood? That is why we should not continue in the same paragraph. We should change the paragraph over here.
Sir, once can you just scroll up?
Yes, beta.
Sir, once can you just scroll up?
Yeah, I'll be scrolling up.
Yes, sir, done.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now the suggestion or just a proposal we can be put in front of the person. Okay. I request you. I request you to publish an article on this issue so that the municipal authorities, so that the municipal authorities can take suitable legal actions against such people who are responsible for such disturbance. Such disturbance. Okay. Even they may make the people to play such music at low pitch or can ask them not to play during the stipulated timings. The stipulated timings. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
the students can attempt their examinations soundly, and also it will help to the citizens to sleep well in night. Sleep well in night. Okay, so that they can, even you may write over there that students can attempt their examinations soundly, and they can concentrate in their studies as well. Understood? Okay. I keep this view that you would take this matter very seriously and bring it in front of every eyes. Why did I write eyes? So that everyone should go through the papers, okay, or the reading should happen over there. The next thing is last, thank you, and definitely the closing compliment that we give, yours faithfully. Whatever I have not written the name over there, XYZ. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the letter that I have written right now. Is it okay for you to see?
Yes.
You may take the screenshot as well.
Done, sir.
Done, beta?
Done, sir. Sir, once can give us one more.
Ah, beta?
Some more up can explore.
This one?
Even more, sir. That starting.
This?
No, sir. We wrote about that common letter format.
What?
We wrote it about this common letter format.
Subject, sir. Subject and all.
Okay, okay. This one, format.
Yes, sir.
This is the format.
Yes, sir. Done.
This one is the format over there.
Done, sir.
Done? So this is all about the letter writing that we have seen just now. Now you were asking me to go with what? Diary writing or diary entry?
Already.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Diary entry.
Diary entry will see.
Yes, sir.
So date and time and body of diary.
Actually, that is
A
very
date, day, and time.
actually they are very simple. Is there a story
Sir, you
writing?
just show the format that.
Is there story writing?
The actually I don't know.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I think.
I think there is.
Write the introduction.
Yeah. एक गिलास पानी दो. 1 second, beta. Huh? Why is it in thin like? So as we all know that what is diary? Diary is something where we put our experiences, what happened during the daytime, right? And
Yes, for the whole day activity.
the activities, whatever you have take up since morning till bed, okay, that all account is to be written there in the diary. 1 second. सर्दी हो रही मिक्स है ठीक है. So first of all, we must know what is diary. What is diary, beta? It is very simple to understand. Actually, it is an account of your daily activities. Daily activities that start from, or sorry, since morning till bedtime. Okay, what do you write over here? You write in it your experiences that you experience during the daytime. Then some events can be added over there, and emotions that we can just express to the diary. Okay, these things you can write over there. Am I audible there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third thing, that the language that we use over here,
Will be general.
very familiar as well as informal. Okay, it may be used over there, informal as well. Everyday's account means we write over there the bright side as well as the dark side of our day. Dark side in the sense what happened wrong there, and bright side means what happened like that was expected by us. Okay, that can also be added over there. Now the most important thing that you people are awaiting for, that is format of diary writing format. Okay, so what could be the format there? First of all, you should write their date. What is the date today? It is 5th August.
Sir, date, comma, day, right?
Huh? Date.
And the day.
Now day. You should mention separately, beta. Sorry, what is the day today?
Sir, Friday.
Friday. Now, the time, if you want to mention their time, you may write over there. Okay.
Sir, time should
Time should also be written
like
because
before you-
most of the people they write the time over there. See, why is it so? Do you know? Because these personal diaries are very helpful. While some person is missing, some person is like abstract, some person are like murdered or killed over there. So in this way, these are the diaries where they can give you a lot of information, understood, about the person and what he experienced every day. He actually put in the diary. That is why diary is very important, understood. But there is the way of writing the diary. Time, suppose you are writing, what is the time now? It is 9:20. Let's say it is 20 p.m. that I am writing because it is my bedtime over there. Okay, that is why before going to bed I am writing this. Now after, you have to give the salutation to whom? To the diary. Which salutation? There is only common salutation, and that is dear diary, and you should put a comma over there. After that, body of a diary that you should start with. Okay, understood? And at last, who has written the diary? Of course it is yours, but you must always and always you should mention your name and signature as well. Understood? Your name and signature over there at last. Name and signature. Okay, at last you should put over there.
So name and signature both.
Huh?
Name and signature both.
Name,
We have to write name and signature both, sir.
I could not understand your language, beta.
Sir, I am asking that we have to write name and signature.
Name and signature over there. Okay, write your name over here. Suppose you are not writing signature over here. Sorry. 1 second. Name here, and after that you may put your signature at last. Okay, no issue. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Who's there in? Yes, both you have to write, Bhargav. Okay. So shall I tell you example or just this format will do? I think format will do.
Format will do, sir.
Actually, what I will write, that all will my like opinion and everything. But what you will write over there, that will be regarding your examination. Have you got it? Yeah. Mr. Nehal. Done?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the diary writing and letter writing we have concluded over here. After that, I'll be sending you in the group what the topics, name of the topics, like what we have to cover again in grammar section. Got it? Till that time, thank you very much for joining the class. Have a nice time. Good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.